Hi, my name is Steve Anderson. Don't you hate it that all the time you see banners on the internet promising you that you could earn $500 to $5,000 a day sitting at home? Well, I tried it, but just like most people, I was only losing money when I started trading. Until I spoke with Rob, one of my friends, about the system he was using. I want to teach you this amazing system. It's really valuable and it would help you earn money with a new type of online investing called binary options. In this system, there are two outcomes, like the word binary says. Either you win or you lose. The system is based on simple logic. To explain it, I will give you a simple example you can try at your own home. Just take a coin and throw it in the air. Let's say you call heads. The chance you choose correctly is 50%. As you keep throwing the coin in the air, you would see it land on heads sooner or later. A few hundred years ago, people started using this system against casinos in roulette. They would double their bet size and keep betting on black or red until they would win. And with that, they broke the house in several casinos. The strategy was so successful, it changed the way casinos work today. Casinos were forced to introduce the minimum, maximum bet sizes and introduce the zero and double zero to keep their edge. I'm here to show you how you could use this strategy in the binary option market, where there are no zeros and double zeros. When you're investing in binary options, you basically look at the value of a financial instrument, whether it is gold, the Dow Jones 30, the euro versus the dollar, and predict in which direction it will move for a given period of time. The beauty of this system in binary options is that you could use the market trend in your favor. When the market is in an uptrend, you buy, and when the market is in a downtrend, you sell. I will show you how this works in real time in a few minutes when I start working on the platform. I'm sure you're wondering, why am I teaching you this system for free? Where is the catch? Well, I tried many binary option brokers, and it took me a long time to find a reliable one. I want to save you my bad experiences, and I don't want any of these brokers to make a single dime. I got stuck with funds on their website, and they would not let me withdraw my own money. So I started to look for a regulated broker, and I found Top Option, one of the few brokers out there which has had European regulations for a while and is part of a bigger and proven company. But the most important thing for me is to be honest with you. Because I'm trading so much with Top Option and referred many of my close friends, they approached me with an offer to pay me $25 for each trader I bring them. It's a win-win-win situation. I earn money by referring traders. Traders earn money with my system, and the binary option broker get more satisfied customers. Most of my friends have already thanked me. I will first show you the basics of the system and explain the principle of investment sizes and how they affect your risk and the money you make. As you can see in the table, there are several fields. The trade number that shows you information about each consecutive trade you make. The invested amount that shows you how much money you have invested in each trade. The loss on unsuccessful trades that shows you how much risk you take. Last, you have the payout on successful trades that shows you how much money you make based on the amount of trades you open and how many end up in the green. As you can see, the first trade would net you a revenue of $18.50 for a risk of only $10. The beauty of the process is that as your position gets to the next support or resistance, I will show you what that means in a moment, you increase your chances to profit on the investment. The second would net you $40.70 or $59.20, depending whether only the second or both trades end in the money. The third would net you $92.50, $133.20, or $151.70, again, depending whether the third, second, or all three end in the green. The fourth will net you $203.50, $296, $336.70, or $355.20, just like before, depending whether the fourth, third, second, or all four trades end in the money. I will now open my platform and show you exactly how it works. As you can see here, this is my account. I currently have $800.60 in it. You see here the two favorite picks of the traders at the moment, the Aussie versus the dollar and the euro versus the dollar. I would show you how it works on the euro dollar. as this is one of my favorite instruments and has the highest payout rate. To get a better overview of the market, let's go to the Pro option view. Here it is easy to see how the market is moving. First, let's select the euro dollar, and then we need to choose the relevant expiration. There are a lot of different choices, but for our strategy, we want the expiration that would happen between 15 to 30 minutes from now. In this case, I see the market is steadily moving up, so we're going to buy a call option on the euro versus the dollar. Just as in the example, I will start with $10. As you can see, there are several tops and bottoms to the chart. Basically, the bottoms are considered support levels, and the tops are considered resistances. When the price gets to one of these levels, chances are big that it will react. As you can see, the market is moving down, and my position gets into the red. I will wait till it hits a previous bottom and buy a new option for $22 there. The beauty of this system is that every time the market gets to a new support level, chances grow bigger, it will bounce back up. As you can see, the price has reached the previous bottom, so I'll buy another option for $22. Now, both positions are in the red, but since we're not yet at the next support level, I won't buy any new options. The next support lies a bit lower, and I will now ready the next option for $50 in case we reach this level. Here is the support level, but for the time being, the $22 option is in the green, while the $10 option is still in the red, giving me a 40-70 payout at the moment. I will speed up time now so that you guys don't have to be bored looking at my screen for 20 minutes. As you can see, both the options are in the green, and the payout will be $59.20. We are now close to the option expiry and still both options are in the green, so in another 40 seconds, if the price does not go down, the $59.20 will be added to the account. I will now go to option expiry. And we can see that here both options expired profitable, so I got a payout of $59.20 in less than 30 minutes. If you follow these simple instructions, so can you. I hope that everything was clear and helpful. Again, the binary option broker I recommend to you to work with is Top Option. Make sure when you create an account at Top Option to add the TOP2500 code so that they'll know that I referred you. Using this code would also provide you with a welcome bonus that could go up to as much as $2,500. So please let me know how you're doing and send me an email if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you online.